What is up guys, welcome back to another video. Actually today we've got something quite special, to be honest. A brand called Boda Skins actually reached out to me and said we want to send you out some stuff, and they specialise in designer leather jackets for men and women. So to be honest, I couldn't really turn it down. Considering I did a leather jackets video probably like a couple of weeks ago on faux leather, this is actually a real leather jacket. So it's going to be very nice to see like how this compares to say like the H&M one I've got upstairs. So I'm just going to try it on, do a bit of an unboxing, because look how nice this box is. Like, to be fair guys, it is quite a high-end brand. I think the jackets range from like 350 upwards of, I don't know, 600, 700 pounds. But it comes in a box like this, and even like the packaging it comes in, it's got Boda Skins on it. They personalise it with your name, so Josh. Honestly guys, such a nice service, very high quality. Right, let's open it up, let's have a look. It's like this really nice box, look at it. Move that over there. Got my name here. I have actually opened it already, so sorry, I had to. The owner's called Nathan Alexander. Open this up. And then it had this note as well in it that says, "Hi Josh, appreciate you becoming part of the team and stuff." It's got the return slip and everything if you don't like the fit of it. But massive thanks to Jenna and Team Boda. Can't wait to try it on, to be fair. Looks very, very nice. So guys, the jacket they've sent me out is called the K. Michaels. Honestly, I don't even think you can tell from video. It doesn't do it justice of how high quality this is. So the brand is actually based in Manchester as well. And this little thing here, I don't even know if you can see it, but it says "Made for Josh" on the name tag there. They obviously do that for every customer. So they sent me out this K. Michaels jacket. They also sent me out a few different things. So they've got these nice pouches. It's a distressed hoodie. Ooh, yeah, we've got like a nice grey hoodie. Try all this on. And then another item. These are well cool as well. Like, you can obviously tell it's high end when they send you stuff out in Boda Skins branded pouches like this. Honestly, because I own a clothing brand, I know how much this stuff is going to cost. It's not cheap. It's little details like this that make a big difference as well. And then we've got a distressed t-shirt, 100% organic cotton. Very, very nice. Very nice. Feels decent. Let's try on the jacket first anyway. Just to go over a few details. From the feel of it, right, you can tell there's a massive, massive gulf in quality compared to like the high street brands like Zara, ASOS, H&M. It is just next level. Like it's a different breed really. These are actually £389. This one is the K. Michaels and it's in gunmetal. So it's like got charcoal zips. You can get different colours like gold, silver, loads of different ones. And I actually went for a size extra large because on the website an extra large is like a 44-inch chest and that is like my size. So I thought I'd go for XL because leather jackets do tend to fit quite tight as well. Let's try it on. Right guys, so this is the jacket, extra large. I'm very happy I went for XL because it is quite tight, but obviously leather will stretch a little bit over time and it will mould to the shape of your body. The only thing is it's a little bit, tiny little bit short on the sleeves, but it doesn't really matter because you can wear like long sleeve stuff with it, and it's not really that, it's supposed to be quite a tight fit as well. Really, really nice. Smells so good. Smell of it. Zip pockets. This is so nice. The fit of it. Side. Back. It's very, very decent. £389. I think for a real leather jacket, that's not even that bad either. Compared to say Belstaff. Belstaff can be over £1,000 sometimes. Let's zip it up and see what it looks like. It's actually got two zips as well. So if you want it more fitted, you can put it on the tighter zip. If you want it a bit looser, you've had like a few beers, maybe a steak, might be a bit bloated. I have to loosen the jacket. Put on this one. I'm very happy with this, guys. This is so nice. This is going to be in a lot of the outfit videos to come. The thing with my channel is, like, I like to tell you a lot about the affordable stuff because I know a lot of young people don't have a disposable income, they don't have much money, so you can still look good on a budget, but with some items it is very essential to go high end. Like with a leather jacket or a really nice coat, some nice shoes, like it's just better to go high end, but you can still look good in the high street stuff. Obviously, this is just a lot nicer than the H&M one I've got. I'm probably going to do a comparison between my H&M jacket and this one, just so you can actually tell side by side what the difference is. Let's put it on the tighter one. Yeah, so that's like really nice and fitted now. That can obviously like come over there like that. This is very David Beckham-esque. This is very nice. I really want to take this off, it's that comfy. But yeah, big thanks to the guys at Boda Skins. If you do want to check out the leather jackets, it's going to be the first link in the description. I'm going to try on these other pieces as well. So I've got a hoodie and a t-shirt. But yeah, be prepared to see this in a lot more videos to come, like outfit videos, comparison videos. It's the one. I like how you can loosen that as well. Say if you've got a watch on it, it'll probably help quite a bit. So next up, guys, we'll go for the hoodie. I think it is an XL as well, I'm not quite sure. I don't know if it says the size. I actually don't even know what size it is. I think it's XL, let's try it on. To be fair, guys, the materials from Boda Skins are actually next level. Feels so soft. Like the fits of this is actually really nice as well. I really like the fit as well. The distressed look. It's like the biker look, isn't it? Right guys, so I'm going to put the price on the screen of this hoodie. I think it's very decent. Like the distressed look, it's actually got the British flag on the sleeve as well. Very high quality. All the products at Boda I think are going to be very high quality, to be fair. Very nice, but let's try on the t-shirt. She's like the same colour, similar material as well, like 100% organic cotton. Right guys, so this is the t-shirt. Let's see what it looks like on. Right, so the fit of it is slightly different to a lot of t-shirts that I've got. The sleeves are quite short on the arms, so they come just below my dell. Literally just below, which is a bit strange. Quite nice though. It's like in between oversized and fitted. It's good length on the body. Nice little bit of Boda Skins branding, quite minimal. I do really like this material, it is really nice, but the hoodie and the jacket I prefer to the t-shirt, to be fair. It's nice, but probably like wouldn't be my go-to t-shirt, if you know what I mean. Like the Sullivan Essential ones obviously are going to be. I just prefer them, the fit of them and the heavy cotton, but pretty nice. The jacket is so nice, guys. So guys, like I said, this leather jacket is so nice, really high quality. If you want to spend a bit more extra cash and get a real leather jacket, Boda Skins is definitely one to go for. They're a Manchester brand, so quite local, really high quality service as well. Like it comes with a nice note, the name tag, made for you. Just little touches like that, it makes a big difference, and the fit, quality of the item, smell, it's really good. So like I said, it'll be linked, first one in the description if you do want to get anything from Boda Skins. I really highly recommend them. There's going to be plenty more videos with this item and the hoodie in it as well, so outfit videos, comparison videos, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. But if you did enjoy this video guys, I'd appreciate it if you dropped it a like, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you on the next video. I'm going to go and smell this a little bit more.